up, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video on the B8 S4 front brakes that I put on my 2000 S4. It uses the B8 caliper, the carrier, and B6 or B7 S4 front rotors. So you use the B6 or B7 rotors because the offset on these rotors compared to the B8 rotors is different. So it matches the B5 S4 offset, whereas the B8 S4 rotor offset is a lot more aggressive and the rotor does not fit. These are 13.2 inch rotors, and I went with the slotted and cross drilled just to give some better cooling, and it also lightens up the rotor a little bit because these are pretty heavy rotors. And then I went with some TRW pads, which are pretty much the factory pad. So that they fit amazing. They bolt right in the stock location. We can come under here and see. So they bolt in the stock location. And one bolt there, one bolt there. You just unbolt the HP2 calipers that come on here stock, whole carrier assembly and everything, and then swap on this carrier and caliper. And then I installed the B8 S4 lines. They just run up, plug in, and tighten them up to the fitting here, and everything fits perfect. I would highly recommend the B8 S4 front brake upgrade on your B5 S4. It is a great upgrade. The stopping power is really, really good compared to the stock HP2s, even though they have those four pads in the caliper with the two pistons. The single piston has a larger surface area with this pad, so it can clamp down really, really hard. It does a great job. Noticeable difference right away. You hit the brakes and it stops really, really well. You can do super high speed highway run and slow down very, very fast. So if anybody's looking at doing a brake upgrade on your B5 S4, I would definitely look into the B8 S4 brake upgrade. Thanks for watching.